Now in this video we will connect the motor driver module with these motors. All right, so this is my forward and this is my back side. Okay, so I'll place my motor driver module here like this in the center, at the center. Okay, all right, so now in this motor driver module you will see these two terminals here on the left and these two terminals on the right. Okay, so this one is out 1, this is out 2, this is out 3, and this is out 4. Okay, so what we will do, we will connect the positive wire, this one, we will connect the positive wire of left side to out 1, and we will connect the positive wire of left side to out 3. Okay, now what I will do, I'll just loose the screw. This is my out 1, so I will connect this here to this motor, and I will tighten the screw. Okay, now I'll take the positive of this wire and connect it to out 3 here. Like this. Okay, now this wire, the remaining wire of the left side will be connected to out 2. So I'll okay, and this one will be connected to out 4. So this is out 4. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll take one double tape just to fix it temporarily. Just put it here at the back of my motor driver module and place it here so that it will not move now, right? Okay, so that's how we connect our motors to our motor driver module.